Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Codus Arcade. In today's section, I will be showing you how to generate a QR code with the help of a Python program. Before starting the video, I would like to request you people to please like and share our videos with your friends and family. And at the same time, please subscribe to our channel Codus Arcade and press the bell icon so that you receive notifications regarding our latest updates and you do not miss out on our future videos. Thank you. So let's get started. As I said, today I will be showing you how to write a Python program to generate a QR code. So let's start. As you can see, I'm inside my PyCharm ID. Let me go to my project panel and here I will create a new directory. Let the name be say QR code. Okay, this is done. And inside this directory, I will create a new Python file. So I'll right click and here new Python file. Again say QR code generator. So this is also done. And let me just minimize this project panel so that I can show you the entire screen. Okay, so let's start now. In order to generate a QR, what we need to do is we need to install a module or a library. The name of the library is QR code. So for that, let me go to the terminal. So here, and then I will type the command pip install QR code and press enter. So it will install the necessary packages. You can see it's collecting the information and installing the package. And it is done. So let me just minimize this terminal. And now as I have installed the module or the library, I can import it. So I will use the import statement and I will import the QR code library. As soon as I write QR, you can see it's giving me the suggestion QR code. So this is done. Now I have to create a variable or an instance so that I can use the methods inside the QR code library. So for that, I will create a variable image is equal to, here I have to call my QR code library so that I can access all the methods inside that. So QR code, and if I press the dot operator, you can see I get all the methods and functions which are inside this QR code library. So first of all, I want this make method or function. So I will use this, I'll press enter, and inside the parenthesis, I have to give the address or the link or the URL for which I want the QR code to be generated. So let me just go to my Chrome browser. And here you can see this is the link or the URL for our channel Codus Arcade. I will just copy this and then I will go to my PyCharm again, and in the parenthesis I will put this under quotes and paste it here. So this is done. So now what will happen is this URL will be taken as an information and it will generate a QR code depending on this information or this link, and will be stored inside this image variable or object that we created. Now we have to save this. So for that I have to call my image variable, and if I press the dot operator, you can see I'm getting the option save. So if I use this save method, it will be asking me the name and the format. So inside single quotes or double quotes, it doesn't matter, I will provide the name. So let the name be our channel's name only, Codus Arcade QR dot, and the format should be JPG. So this is done. Now I will show you the QR code that has been generated as soon as I run this program. Let me run it. So I'll right click and then run this program. Now you can see that here the process finished with exit code 0. That means our program is correct and there are no errors in the program. Now the question is, where is the QR code? So let me go to the project panel, and inside my QR code directory, which I created earlier, you can see this is the CodersArcade QR.jpg file. So if I double click on this, you can see this is the QR code that has been generated. Now if I scan this QR code, it will directly navigate and take me to the link and directly to the URL, which is our channel, Coders Arcade. So this is how you can generate a QR by writing just 3 lines of code in Python. So this is the code again. You can see we imported the module QR code. Then we created a variable where we use the make function and gave the link for which we need to create the QR code. And then finally we had to use the save method so that we could save the QR code with the name and the extension. So this is a very simple program. And this was the output or the result. This is the QR code that you can see here. So I hope you guys have understood the program. If you have any doubts, you can post them in the comment section. And if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload a new video, you get a notification. So this much for today. Thank you. See you guys in the next session. Have a nice day and happy learning.